So I'm currently on my way to the 4th of July soccer tournament. If you guys don't know what it is, pretty much just a festival for Hmong people. The weekend of Independence Day, the weekend of the 4th of July. So yeah, it should be fun. Lots of people come, roughly around, I would want to say like 10,000 people. And so I had to walk about a mile, and as you can tell, parking is horrible. I didn't want to take a shuttle, so I had to walk about a mile. But it should be fun.
Kauyer Lor.
Oh, sister, Pat. Finally meeting Kauyer. Crazy. Yeah. Unbelievable. It is hot. Look at all these vloggers. All these video vloggers. Heading to watch or play tennis. Busy, Kauyer. Long. Crazy.
Wow, okay, it's
Charles.
Oh god, it's Jimmy number one. Flip out. Yeah.
Jamming with Ang and Kauyer is so fun. So unbelievable.
And then I look at Charles and Long and
Yes.
these to make the jam even better.
Yes. And look at that beautiful blue pool.
tao cho plong từ yo đã po luka ta nung lo lo yang tao ku mua cho đồ thao trình lúa là sai chơi rau là từ yo lo trình chỉ tao tia in trái mua sự tia hương gạo tia lần đau lại on trái mua sự chỉ sống là bị yêu nên là bên trái mua sự.
We're saying goodbye to Kauyer.
Yeah.
Take care. It's good to see. Yeah, for sure.
Bye. Have so
So
much
sad.
fun with you guys.
We just got free hugs.
Nice.
Well, I got free hugs. See my shirt? Free hug.
By those people. Look.
Funny. Glad you got people. So I'm here. Headed to the 4th of July Hmong celebration again today. And had tons of fun yesterday. Finally getting a chance to meet Kauyer Lor. And if you guys don't know who she is, she's a Hmong musician that posts videos on YouTube. And it's just such a very, very beautiful and talented girl. And so I got a chance to jam out, hang out with her and some of my friends, such as Ong, Charles, Long, and yeah, it was tons of fun. But headed today again to the football fields, I guess. More to watch football, but I guess to meet people, hopefully. Not that anyone would know who I am, but yeah. So, finally met Kayla Hang after listening to her on YouTube.
Yeah,
it's unreal. Feels like a dream, but yeah.
Nothing special, dude.
It's very special to me.
I'm talking to second place winner of Hmong Idol. Come on. That's
Oh,
a big
yeah.
deal, dude.
Thank you, Kayla. Yes, we found Charles along after a while. After a hot day. Found Kayla.
I know.
Christian and Cindy.
I know.
Yes, so we're here, found a guitar, and we're gonna jam a little. Kayla, Charles, Koo, Long, Timothy.
I'm sorry.
Today was an epic day, quoted by Kayla Hang.
Kayla sat on my chair.
And we had to walk on this 80-degree hill and saying goodbye to Charles and them soon. So sad, everything happened so fast.
I know. I'm still gonna be chilling with you, Paul.
Yes, for sure. This is so sad.
Goodbye, guys.
Saying goodbye to the Wisconsin
Bye,
guys.
guys. Bye, guys.
I hate goodbyes.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
I hate goodbyes.
Yeah, me too.
Oh man.
Don't ever say your goodbyes.
Just see you later. Alright.
I'm going
See you later.
Kayla.
I just said goodbye to Kayla Hang, and now I'm with a few church buddies at Applebee's. The famous Peter Jong and Lady Gaga music video, and the two people who just got back from overseas. Yeah, waiting for a few friends, and I'm about to demolish this food.